Leftover candy apple mixture, leftover candy apple mixture, leftover candy apple mixture. You just don't know what to do with the candy apple mixture that's left over after making candy apples? Make something beautiful out of nothing. You can make lollipops, you can make candied grapes, you can even practice making your candy apples flecks with different colors. Whatever you decide to do, make it beautiful. This will be good practice for you with your candy apple mixture. I have some good, firm, juicy grapes. They have already been rinsed off. I am taking a paper towel, drying these grapes off, and then insert the toothpick. You will need a toothpick inserted into these grapes when you dip your grapes into the candy apple mixture. Since so many of you had questions about what to do with your leftover candy, I decided to do something with mine. I had some cream colored candy apples, I had some gold luster dust and gold metallic candy apples and white candy apples to make. So of course I have some candy apple mixture left over. I am going to be making candied grapes and lollipops so you can see what you can do with your leftover candy apple mixture. I felt so bad because I would tell you guys, oh, I just add water to my pot, boil it until it goes back to water. Okay, I was wasting my candy. You can actually make something beautiful out of nothing. And with the holidays coming up, this is a great time to practice with your leftover candy apple mixture. See a gold shimmer. That's because I added gold airbrush food coloring to this candy apple mixture when I was making candy apples. I wanted to make this color kind of pop. I can see the gold airbrush food coloring down at the bottom, so that's what that is if you see gold. Now I will be making my lollipops from the candy apple mixture that's left over. All you need is a lollipop silicone mold and your lollipop sticks. Just pour the candy apple mixture into the lollipop silicone mold and then insert your lollipop stick. Turn the cream colored candied grapes into a luster dust gold. This is the gold luster dust. You can find it in my Amazon bake shop. The link is down below in the description box. Add some lemon extract and give it a stir. And the treat brush that I have here also can be found down below in the description box in my Amazon bake shop. I am just brushing on the gold luster dust on the candied grapes. These are so cute. If you think these are cute, let me know down in the comment section if you think these gold luster dust candy grapes are cute. I think this is the perfect look for the holidays. I love it. What about you? Do you like this look? give this candy apple a rustic look instead of using the metallic gold, which I love the metallic gold. But when it comes to the holidays, you want that rustic look. So I am painting this metallic gold candy apple with the luster dust gold. Make sure when you are laying your apples down, do not let candy drip from the other candy apples on your candy apples, or it will show up like on this one. There's a line of candy. So be careful when you are dipping your candy apples and placing it on parchment paper or your silicone mats. Try not to let any candy drip on your candy apples. I am dipping these grapes into the white candy apple mixture because, like I said, I had white candy apples too. And usually I'll just add water, put it on the stove, boil it out, clean my candy apple pot out, and that's it. But so many of you are asking, what do you do with your leftover candy apple mixture, or what can I do with it? I hope this helps. Let me know down in the comment section if this helped you do something with your leftover candy apple mixture. Right now I am making this candy apple flex. I had an extra candy apple, so I am dipping this into the white candy apple mixture, and this is luster gold. I advise you not to do this, only do it with metallic gold. This is just something to do, an experiment to see how it looks. But there is a high chance that the luster dust can get down in your candy apple mixture. I am making white candied grapes because, like I said earlier, I had white candy apples also to make. So I am making white candied grapes. This is adding the white candy apple mixture to the Lollipops silicone mold and inserting that lollipop stick. And this is what your lollipops will look like using the leftover candy apple mixture from your candy apples. Again, you can make lollipops, candied grapes, be creative. Your family and kids will enjoy these lollipops and candied grapes. If you have enjoyed this video tutorial with the candied grapes and lollipops, what to do with leftover candy, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next candy apple tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.